Hi class, today I'm going to show you how to cut and fold your cube. So I've already separated my one cube from the other, and now I'm going to cut the box out. I'm going to follow the whole edge of the outside of the box, and you should do the same. So cut out the whole perimeter of the box, and I'm just going to keep doing it in real time. I'll get better at this videotaping stuff, but for those of you who need it, I'll just cut it in real time. And if I finish ahead of you, you can go ahead and wait or speed it up or whatever you need to do. But just make sure you cut out the whole perimeter. And again, some hot points when you are cutting, it's really, on some of these points, it's the scissor moving, but generally it's your hand is staying stationary with the scissor and your paper is moving. So just get everything around the perimeter cut out. And then we'll go back in and make some notches. Okay. So if you need to slow the video down in the bottom with the settings on your YouTube video feed is the gear. You can slow it down or you can speed it up. You can pause, do whatever you need to do. So when you get to these points where it has a very fine sliver where you need to cut, I say cut down one side, cut down the other side, and then just pop out that little piece. And you'll have to do that on about 3 different areas here. So 1, 2, and here's the last one already popping out. Okay, so now your cut out box should look like this. Now there are 4 little notches you need to make. This is 1 on the flap, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so everywhere there's a dotted line, there could be a few more dotted lines. This could be a dotted line, this could be a dotted line, this could be a dotted line. Okay, we're gonna fold all those dotted lines. So start with 1 and then bring the other one, and they should all be in a straight line. And then here I can fold this one over. Oh, there's the dot, so I want to stop there. And then here I can press this down, make it line up with the one I folded already. Now I want to also fold these little flaps. So I want to fold on this dotted line and on this dotted line. Okay, and I need to fold this guy here. Okay, so when you have all of these folded so that it looks like one long rectangle, then you get to do some more folding. So now I need to look here. I need to fold here, 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 and here. So I'm going to flip that over and fold it. I'm going to flip this one over and fold it. Press it. I'm going to flip this one over and fold it. And finally, I'm going to flip this one over and fold it. Okay, you should also have a little piece of your washi tape ready just to hold your box together once you're done. So just cut that off and let it sit somewhere. Now you're ready to fold your box together. Okay, so it's a little puzzle piece, but it shouldn't take long. I like to fold in all these little stray pieces. And then you can take the one where we cut the flap a little bit and tuck it and just keep holding it and tuck this one until you have a nice cube. At this point, you can take your washi tape and just gently secure whatever side seems to be not wanting to stay. And there you have your cube. Okay, from there, you're going to take your cube and your notebook, and I think we did it on page 24 and 25, and you're going to set up a lighted scenario where you will actually be drawing your cube. Now, you can see here that if I were going to draw this cube, I would want to make the top, I could just do it next to it. I mean, almost seems like it'd be kind of fun to just do the cube as it is, like trace this, and you could try that. I mean, we could try that because why not? So here's my shadow, and this is called my cast shadow, and I can outline it. And then you can see the base of the cube is here, and here it is. But that's also the top. So this is where you run into a little bit of problem. You will have your parallel lines here, and this really doesn't work with the cube. So I'm not going to do it that way. I'm going to draw it. I'm going to draw it here from what I see. So that would be your task. Your task now is to draw 10 cubes and shade 5 of them. So here I have what I think I'm seeing as the cube. The top is white. This side of the cube is a middle tone of shading, and this is a darker one because the light is really not hitting this side very well, so that will be darker. Plus you can see, like we did before, that I have this nice cast shadow. It's coming like this, and this shadow will also be something you need to shade on your cube. Okay, so this is not great, but it's what you're doing. You need to do 10 samples of cubes and 5 shaded. All right, slow it down, watch it again if you need to, or ask questions.